माननीय डॉक्टर के लक्ष्मण जी.
Thank you, Vice Chairman, sir. It's the most important subject. The subject is concern over issue of piracy over websites, messaging platforms and social media under Copyright Act. Pirated videos in India pose a fast-growing threat to the cultural economy, creative industries and intellectual property. The illegal circulation of films, OTT, over-the-top contents, sports broadcasts and educational material across websites, messaging platforms and social media has caused major financial losses to producers, digital platforms and the entertainment sector. The Indian film and digital content industry is estimated to lose thousands of crores annually due to piracy, affecting employment, investment confidence and government revenue. Piracy violates copyright law and exploits the intellectual labor of millions of creative workers, including artists, writers, technicians and producers who contribute to India's cultural output. Enforcement challenges persist despite legal provisions because piracy thrives on online anonymity. Cross-border hosting and replication through mirror sites, even after court-issue blocking orders, cloned sites and re-uploads emerge almost immediately, making regulation difficult. Public perception also remains an obstacle, as many consumers view pirated material as harmless or as a substitute for paid access. This mindset must be countered through the targeted awareness campaigns and stronger penalties. India must adopt technological protections such as digital watermarking, AI-assisted tracking and faster takedown processes in cooperation with Internet Service Providers, that is ISPs. In a notable enforcement case in Hyderabad, police arrested a man who reportedly earned around rupees 20 crores through large-scale piracy involving more than 21,000 films, with 3.5 crores in assets frozen during investigation. The government must strengthen legislation, enhance enforcement capacity, boost technological countermeasures, and promote public awareness to protect creators' rights and safeguard India's digital creative economy. Thank you.
धन्यवाद.